सुहाना सफर हर किसी मुसाफिर का सपना होता है। वो चाहता है तनाव मुक्त और खुशहाल सफर। ये संभव कर दिखाया है एयर इंडिया और लायंस क्लब ऑफ सुजोक ने मिलकर। जी हाँ, यदि आप बैक पेन, जॉइंट पेन, हेडेक, माइग्रेन या अन्य किसी समस्या से पीड़ित हैं और यात्रा कर रहे हैं तो इन पीड़ाओं से घबराने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि इन पीड़ाओं का इलाज आप स्वयं भी कर सकते हैं। जी हाँ, सुजोक थेरेपी से यानी बिना दवाई के तुरंत आराम, वो भी चुटकियों में। सुजोक के द्वारा आपके सफर को आरामदायक और तनाव मुक्त बनाने का बीड़ा उठाया है जाने माने सुजोक थेरेपिस्ट प्रोफेसर जीबी लूथरिया ने, जो आपको सुजोक के बारे में जानकारी दे रहे हैं।
This is Lion Luthria from Lions Club of Sujok. We are interested in teaching people how to remain healthy without medicines, even at home, offices, or while you are traveling. It's so simple. You have been provided with a thumb pad. This is known as thumb pad. You have to fold it and fix it like this. There are two ears and this is fixed like this. If anyone is having neck pain, first of all, you can take a pencil with hexagonal surface, stem, and roll it over here, and you will see that your neck pain has reduced in few seconds. But you will say, why should we remember, or how do we remember? Where do we do all this? For that, I will just explain to you in short what Sujok means. Su means hands, Jok means foot. From our palm, 5 things are coming out: 4 fingers and the thumb. From our body also, there are 5 things coming out: 2 legs, 2 arms, and the head. If I keep the hand on this hand, what do you feel? Aren't the 2 legs? In the center we have got only legs. So these are the 2 legs. And these are the 2 arms. This is the head. And again, in our arm we have got 3 joints. 1, 2, 3. In our finger also we have got 3 joints. 1, 2, and 3. I said our hand is the replica of our body. So obviously, before I say, I am sure you will say that this will be shoulder, this will be elbow, and this the wrist. What will this be? Naturally the hip, knee, and the ankle or your heel. This is the head. So this is the neck, and this is the face. Face we divide into 4 portions: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if we divide our thumb flange, first flange, into 4 portions: mouth, nose, eyes, ears, forehead, and head. Now this is the neck. This line, which we call the lifeline, is our diaphragm. And if this is there, this is our one shoulder. If I keep this, this is our another shoulder. If I put it like this, what does it look like? The heart. On the 2 sides, you will see 2 lungs, and this portion is our abdomen, anus, and then this will be the spine, this is the cervical area and this is our lower back. These two are our kidneys. Anatomy of the body is over. Suppose the pain is in the knee, you will immediately go to these two joints. Take this thumb and try to press it a little. Don't press it too hard. And turn it clockwise, anti-clockwise. Turn it all around the finger, all around the joint. In few seconds, you will find that your knee pain has reduced. Same case, if suppose you have got heel pain, this will be the heel. If you have got hip pain, these are our hips. Your buttocks are paining, just turn them over here. If your shoulders are paining, over here. And likewise, tennis elbow, over here. And if there is wrist problem, over here. But suppose your fingers are paining, what will you do? This is your hand. This whole hand has become only this much. So this is your hand. Half of it is the palm. These are your fingers. So what will you do? Just press a little and do it like this. You will be surprised if your fingers are not opening properly and you have to press it to open them. Do it. If your this hand fingers are paining, you do it in this hand like this on all the fingers. You will be surprised these fingers will open up. So also I said, if you have got neck pain, just do it like this. If you have got headache, just do it here. And you will be surprised, in a few seconds, your headache is gone or reduced a lot. If it is the lower back problem, I said, this is our lower back. The valley between these two bones of these two fingers. So what you do? Either you do it with your ball pen, but it may hurt you. So I would advise you, take this thumb and turn it here. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. While you are doing it in certain places, you are bound to get more pain. Wherever you get more pain, please, that is the point where it needs more treatment, and then do it more over there. Do it for about 3 to 4 times a day, and thereafter what you have to do, it's a very simple thing. Take a macrosurgical tape. You can do with even any tape, any adhesive tape. Therefore take a macrosurgical tape, and you know what is this? Fenugreek. Indians call it methi or menthi. So take that, spread it like this and put a tape over it. Just smoothen them. And if you have knee pain, cover it like this. Not tight, just fixed like this. If it is in both knees, make it for both the knees. If it is for the heels, these should come over here. Then tennis elbow or golf elbow, wrist pain, any type of pain in the wrist. Similarly, if you have got any problem in the neck area, tonsils for your children or anything, treat them here. If you have got polyp and the doctor says operation is necessary, please treat yourself over here in the nose area and put black pepper, just a few black pepper, and put them over here. Not tight, just fix them up at night, remove them in the morning, and you will see even your polyp goes away. Like that, there are solutions to practically all the problems except the cancer and AIDS. We expect that those who are seeing this and experience the relief, please teach it to others. Let us spread this message of God to all over the world so that everybody enjoys the life without medicines and painkillers as far as possible.
दोस्तों, प्रोफेसर जीबी लूथरिया द्वारा बताए नियम निर्देशों का भली भांति पालन कीजिए और अपना इलाज स्वयं कीजिए और बनाइए अपने सफर को आरामदायक और तनाव मुक्त। सुजोग संबंधित जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें लायंस क्लब ऑफ सुजोग, जुहू, मुंबई। फोन 9323178565 और 26206243। आप हमें ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं। हमारा ईमेल एड्रेस info@lionsclubsujok.org। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.lionsclubsujok.org। सुजोग के बारे में और अधिक जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए देखते रहिए एशिया के एकमात्र हेल्थ चैनल 7 स्टार केयर पर एक स्पेशल प्रोग्राम सुजोग थेरेपी।